United works with over 100 nonprofit partners. And this year we have about 1,000 employees who are volunteering, making a huge impact.
Today we partnered with Grid Alternatives, where we are installing solar panels on a local family's home.
I'm really proud to show the people in this community that we care about them.
We're packaging 65,000 meals, and we're gonna make it fun.
More than just, getting folks to and from places. We're about being a part of the communities where we live and we serve. Every action, big or small, is about continuing to build that connectedness. We really live our values out loud.